Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss the topic process of nutrition, and this topic is from chapter 3 human body of class 6. So you know students that the human beings, they are multicellular. Okay, they are having different organs to perform different functions in the body. Now all living organisms which are present on the planet Earth, they need energy. Okay, so you know that human beings, they are having well developed system, and for this the human being, they require food, because if food will be available, then only the energy will be generated in the body, and this energy is utilized by the humans or the animals to perform daily life activities. Okay, so when we talk about this process of nutrition, the process of nutrition, it involves various steps. Okay, the first step is ingestion. So ingestion is the method or is the way of eating the food. Okay, so the process of ingestion, it starts in the mouth. So basically what is happening in ingestion, it is gathering, collecting food and eating it. So basically the ingestion, it is taking place in the mouth. The second step, which is in the process of nutrition, is digestion. So in the process of digestion, the food which is eaten, it is broken down into simple soluble molecules. Okay, so the breaking down of the food into simple soluble molecules, it is known as digestion. So the process of digestion, it involves various enzymes. So this process, it again starts in the mouth. Okay, starts in mouth and completes in stomach, So in the mouth, the process of the digestion is starting, because in the mouth, you know that salivary glands are present, and the salivary glands, what they do, they secrete the enzyme salivary amylase, because the role of the salivary gland is to secrete saliva. Saliva, you know, the liquid which is present in the mouth, and this saliva, it contains salivary amylase, which is an enzyme. Okay, so when we talk about the third step, it is absorption. So what happens in this absorption? The simple soluble food is mixed with body fluid. Okay, body fluid like blood. So in the process of absorption, the simple soluble food, the food in the process of digestion which was broken down into simple soluble form, okay, it gets mixed with the body fluid like blood. Okay, fourth step is assimilation. Now what happens in assimilation? This food is utilized. Now this food is being utilized to produce energy and for growth. The simple soluble food, it is now being utilized for the production of energy, as well as now it plays an important role in the growth of the body. Now this process, absorption, which is the third step, basically takes place in the small intestine. Okay, and the last step is egestion. So this egestion is the process in which the undigested food is thrown out of the body. So the undigested food is thrown out of body. So these are the basic steps which are involved in the process of nutrition. So the process of digestion, it is not a simple process, it involves various steps.